Hello my dear students, I warmly welcome you to CR Digital Classes. In this lecture, we are going to discussing about the problem based on the method of the falsi position. Okay, in the previous lecture, we discussed that the general procedure how to solve the problem in regular falsi method. Okay, so now we are going to discuss the problem. Okay, see here, the method of falsi position solve x cube is equal to 2x plus 5. Okay, for a positive root by using the regular falsi method. Okay, this is the question. Solve x cube is equal to 2x plus 5 for a positive root by using regular falsi method. Okay, if you observe carefully, there is no AB values they mentioned in the question, and there is no decimal places correct to 3 decimal, correct to 4 decimal in the question. Okay, so you have to do the process from beginning. Okay, so given equation, see the solution. Given equation is x cube equal to 2x plus 5. Okay, for this we have to convert into f of x is equal to 0, that is x cube minus 2x minus 5 is equal to 0. Later f of x is equal to x cube minus 2x minus 5. Okay, here by trial and error method. So if you substitute f of 0, f of 1, okay, so now I am starting with the f of 2. F of 2 is equal to, you will get minus 1. Minus 1 less than 0. If you substitute f of 1, what will happen? F of 1 is also, you will get the negative. For f of 0, okay, f of 0 also less than 0. F of 1 also, you will get less than 0. F of 2 also less than 0. So consecutively 3 values you got less than 0. Then you have to take next to f of 3. F of 3 is greater than 0. F of 3, you will see here f of 3 16. In this method, you have also note down the values of these values also, minus 1 and 16. You have to mention those values also. Why? Because we are going to substitute them in the approximations. Okay, apart from a and b values, you have to take f of a and f of b values also, either it is negative or positive. Okay, so for f of 0 less than 0, f of 1 less than 0, f of 2 less than 0, f of 3 greater than 0. Now you have to take these two values, those two consecutive values. Why? Because those two only have opposite signs. So therefore f of 2 less than 0 and f of 3 greater than 0 both have opposite signs. So therefore the root, the required, what we are going to find out, the root lies in between 2 and 3. Okay, so let a is equal to 2, b is equal to 3. We are taking official. Why? Because by trial and error method we find that a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 3, and f of a is equal to f of 2 is equal to minus 1, and f of b is equal to f of 3 is equal to 16. That is taken as equation number 1. By using regular falsi method or method of falsi position or method of chords, okay, so 3 names unnai, you can use any one. So therefore the first approximation is x1. Okay, the first approximation is x1 is equal to, what is the formula? A into f of b. A into f of b minus b into f of a by f of b minus f of a. That is the formula. Okay, so now we have a value, b value, f of a and f of b values. Okay, from equation number 1. Substitute all those values in this equation number 2 or whatever it may be. So therefore substitute equation number 1 values in the above equation, you will get that. Okay, so x1 is equal to, x1 is equal to a to f of b 16 minus b 3, f of a minus 1 by 16 minus of minus 1. If you simplify that value, x1 is equal to 2.0588. x1 is equal to 2.0588. So what is the initial approximations, ma? X is equal to, a is equal to 2 and b is equal to 3. The required root exists in this, in between them only. So therefore x1. So for example, if you take x1 here, what is the x1 value? 2.0588. Okay, so that is between 2 and 3 only now. So therefore x1 value. Now substitute that x1 value in given function. So therefore if you substitute the given equation, then you will get minus 0.391. Okay, that is also less than 0. Here we got f of x1 less than 0 is negative. So By using the general explanation, whenever you get f of x1 less than 0, you have to go for the previous values which we have positive. So therefore, f of x1 is negative. The root lies in between 2.0588 and 3. What is the 3? F of b greater than 0. F of b greater than 0. So where b equal to 3 now. So therefore, now a will become, x1 value will become a. Okay, x1 value will become a. So therefore, now the required root lies in between. A is equal to 2.0588 and b is equal to 3. So therefore, what is the f of a value? This one, minus 0.3911, and f of b value you have 16. So with the help of these values, we can take the second approximation, that is x2. X2 is equal to, what is the formula? A into f of b minus b into f of a by f of b minus f of a. So what is the a here? A is 2.0588, f of b 16. Okay, minus b is 3, f of a is 0.3911 by 16 minus of minus 0.391. So therefore, if you simplify that, you will get x2 is equal to 2.0813. Okay, again substitute x2 in given equation, you will get again less than 0. Okay, here also you will get negative. Okay, if you get the negative, it's a previous value, first approximation also negative. Okay, then for the positive we have to go to the again the previous approximation, that is initial approximation, that is f of b greater than 0, and here f of x2 less than 0. So now the root lies in between x2 and b. So therefore, that x2 you can take it as a is equal to 2.0813 and b itself 3 only, and f of a value, that is okay, so minus 0.1468 and f of b value 6. Now with the help of these values, we can take the third approximation, that is x3. Okay, so therefore a into f of b minus b into f of a by f of b minus f of a. If you simplify that, x3 is equal to 2.0897. Okay, so if you observe carefully, all values from 2 point. Okay, so therefore existing between 2 and 3 only. So therefore f of x3 also again negative. F of x3 also again negative. So therefore here for the combination you can take f of b greater than 0, f of b positive 0. So therefore the required root lies in between x3 and b. Okay, what is the x3? 2.0897. So therefore that x3 you can take as small a and b as it is b. So with the help of these values, again you can take the fourth approximation. So in the fourth approximation also we will get x4. Okay, x4 is equal to 0.0928. F of x4 also again negative. F of x4 also again negative. If you see the positive value, so therefore f of b greater than 0. So therefore, so this is the, so the required root lies in between x4 and b. So therefore that gives the next x5. With the help of these values, if you find the fifth approximation, so x5 is this one. Again if you substitute f of x5, again here negative. So again here also f of b greater than 0 is the another pair. So therefore the root lies in between these values. So therefore now in sixth approximation, x6 0.0943. Okay, so again f of x6 also negative. So again you have to go to the greater than 0, that is f of b. So in seventh approximation also again it is negative. Again f of b is the combination pair, and in the eighth approximation also, you are getting in eighth approximation also x8 is equal to 2.0945. Okay, so after getting the eighth approximation x8 value, if you compare x7 and x8 values, both are same, 2.0945, and x8 value 2.0945. Okay, so again if you substitute x suffix 8, you will get the same values only. So this process, if you repeat like that, you will get the same value. So therefore by observing 7th and 8th approximations, we got that x7 is equal to x8 is equal to 2.0945. So therefore the required positive root of the given equation is x is equal to 2.0945 is the required. So x is equal to 2.0945 అనేది మనకు 2 and 3 కి మధ్యలోనే ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అవుతుంది, మధ్యలో కూడా కాదు, 2 కి దగ్గరలోనే. ఓకే, 2.0945. దిస్ వన్ ఇస్ ద x, actually x7, x8 also, that one is the x9 is also that one. అంటే x1 x2 x3 ఇవన్నీ మనకు ఈ గ్యాప్ లోనే ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అయ్యాయి. అండ్ 2 నుంచి 2.10 మధ్యలోనే ఉన్నాయి. ఓకే, 2.1, 2 to 2 పాయింట్ మధ్యలోనే దీనికి రూట్ అనేది ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అవుతా ఉంది. సో దేర్ ఫోర్ బై ఆల్ దీస్ 8 approximations, if you make a table, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, you can write the values. If you observe carefully, from 2.05, from 2, actually initial 0 approximation is x naught is equal to, you can take 2 for example. So therefore from 2 to 2.0882 to x8 2.095, if you observe carefully, okay, so the root gradually converging towards 3. Okay, sorry, towards 2.1. So therefore x suffix 7 and x suffix 8 have the same values. Then by observing, you can clearly realize that x suffix 7 is the required root. Then you have to terminate the process there only. That is the required root. అంటే ఇక్కడ మనం మేజర్ ఏం చెప్పుకుంటాం అంటే, ఫస్ట్ f of a మనకు లెస్ దెన్ 0 వచ్చింది, దట్ ఈస్ f of 2 మనకి లెస్ దెన్ 0 వచ్చింది, f of b greater than 0 వచ్చింది, that means f of 3 greater than 0. After the each and every approximation, okay, so if you get f of 3, f of b greater than 0, f of x1, f of x2, okay, so ఇవన్నీ మనకి ఏమొచ్చేసాయి అంటే, ఒకసారి చూడండి, f of x1, f of x1 కూడా మనకి నెగటివ్ వచ్చింది. సో therefore f of x1 less than 0, x2 less than 0, up to so on f of x7 వరకు అన్ని లెస్ దెన్ 0 వచ్చాయి. అప్రాక్సిమేషన్స్ అన్ని లెస్ దెన్ 0 వచ్చాయి. కాన్సిక్యూటివ్ గా లెస్ దెన్ 0 వచ్చాయి కాబట్టి నెక్స్ట్ ఆల్టర్నేటివ్ గ్రేటర్ దెన్ 0 ఏంటంటే మనం f of b నే తీసుకుంటాం. ఓకే, f of b నే. లేకపోతే ఏదో ఒకటి ఇక్కడ గ్రేటర్ దెన్ 0 వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు మనం ఏం తీసుకునే వాళ్ళం, f of a లెస్ దెన్ 0 తీసుకునే వాళ్ళం కాంబినేషన్ కి. ఓకే, సో అన్ని మనకి లెస్ దెన్ 0 వచ్చాయి కాబట్టి f of b, ఓకే, అది ఇనిషియల్ లో ఉన్న f of b గ్రేటర్ దెన్ 0 తీసుకున్నాం, b నుంచి వాటికి రిలేషన్ అప్లై చేసుకొని మీన్ అప్లై చేసుకొని రూట్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసాం. సో ఇన్ దిస్ ఫార్మాట్, for every problem, if they ask in the examination for the purpose of short answers, long answer. Okay, now you are facing pre-corona pattern. Okay, so that is out of 12 short answers, you have to answer the 8 short answers. Okay, out of 12 you have to answer the 8 short answers, and out of 4 long answers you have to write down the 4 long answers, but choice is there. Okay, in long answers you have a b. Okay, for example 13th problem start with long answer, 13th problem ab from first unit, 14th problem ab from second unit, 15th problem ab from third unit, 16th problem ab from fourth unit. In this format you have choices in short answers and long answers also, but in long answers you have to attempt the 4 questions even if you have the choices. Okay, in some cases in choices only, in a again they are asking 1 2. Okay, solve the problem by using bisection method and find the find the roots of the problem by using Newton-Raphson method or regular falsi method. In this format they are going to ask. Okay, so if they ask any type of the question in the examination, you should be prepared, you should be ready to give the solution. Okay, for that the main motto is practice well, prepare perfectly. Okay, so if you practice any question, practice perfectly, prepare well. I hope you understand this problem very well. In the next lecture we are coming with another interesting topic. Okay, so this is K Veeres signing from Shia Publishers. So until bye, thank you.